Guys, today we're going to be playing Subway Surf. It's still loading, so we're going to have to wait. Ow. Okay, let's see how bad I am at Subway Surf. No, X that out. Let's go. See that guy? It reminds me of my sister. I think she's ugly. I don't know about you, but I do. Right, Tanya?
I guess I am very ugly.
Told ya. Let's see what we can do while we're doing this. Whoa. See that? I almost died there. Let's start. If you guys want to see me be doing more and more games, tell me and I'll be like starting to download more games. And then we'll start playing more often, and then we can get more views. And thanks for all. Told you I was gonna die. It's really bad. Let's see if my sister can play.
Oh, let's open this prize.
Let's see what is it.
Careful, Jill.
Oh.
No.
There's another prize.
Ooh. One fresh stereo.
Put him
19
up
more
here,
to go.
Daniel. Put him up here.
Go up there.
Right there.
I'm gonna take him to the garage in a little bit.
Ooh. Ooh, my sister got that. Let's see how long it takes her for her to stay. Might take her a long time. Woo. So, what is she doing? Get that. Double jump. You can jump higher. Like over the trains. See? Ooh, she's actually good. So, why does she always get that? I've never really known why she always gets that. You should have got that.
Mister.
Needed it. She actually got something that I've been wanting.
Oh, yeah.
Surfer dude. I'm gonna try and change it to see if I can get someone better. Mama's done getting this guy. Ooh,
I died.
she
Let's
died.
put the piano on.
Okay, let's.
So,
Should we play more?
are you done?